Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of S2G's meeting. It was really nice talking with S2G. We had a great time talking for a few hours. We talked about bullion and all sorts of things. Very humble person, and I was very fortunate to talk to him in the amount of time he had. He's very busy, always traveling, always on the go. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. We're gonna get into part 2. Let's do this. Alright guys, so here it is. It looks like this coin banknote set is rare to find in uncirculated condition. Each set has its own serial number. So let's see what Georgie has sent me. I really like these plastic packs. Very nice to keep the coins and bills stored in. Ooh, check it out, guys. 1984 Singapore $1. We have the Merlion. Beautiful design. Let's see if I can take this out without damaging it. I don't want to damage it. I want to be careful. Maybe I should use gloves. 1984 coin and $1 bird note. So check it out. We have the 1984 Singapore dollar. Beautiful, simple, elegant design. Really like that. Wow, check this out. Singapore $1. Beautiful Singapura. Here we have in English. I believe we have Chinese, possibly Malayalam. It's an Indian language, and actually this is probably in Malay as well, and this is in English. So very nice, beautiful design. Check it out. We got a little information about the note and the coin. You guys can see, and here we have the reverse of the coin. Beautiful, nice design here. You guys can see the watermark. I believe that's supposed to be a watermark. Just a beautiful design. Looks very nice, elegant, classic from another time period. Beautiful, very nice artwork. Beautiful set, Georgie. Thank you so much. This was from the National Coin Fair 1988, so I can see why this is somewhat rare souvenir pack. Thank you so much, Georgie. I really appreciate that. Something I probably wouldn't have never seen in my lifetime without you sending it to me. So thank you so much. And guys, check it out. We have the Singapore dollar coin. It looks like another one. I don't know what year it is. And we're gonna check it out and see exactly what it is. I can get it out. Here we go. Here's the specifications. Copper nickel, stylized lion, and check it out. It's 1981. So it is a slightly older coin from the 1984 that we have just seen. And you guys can read a little bit of information about the Singapore dollar coin. Very nice, Georgie. In beautiful BU condition, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Georgie, for getting me the Singapore dollar coin. I might have to start collecting coins from Singapore now. Oh my god, this is too much, Georgie. Oh, Australian dinosaurs. I know Peter J has recently sent me some dinosaur coins. I love dinosaurs. Growing up as a kid, who didn't like dinosaurs? Love them. So let's check out the 2022 uncirculated Privy Mark 4-coin collection. Check it out, guys. Look what we have. We have Australian dinosaurs. You guys can read along here about the Australian dinosaurs. Look at these beautiful designs. I hope I don't have these coins, Georgie. I might have some of them in uncirculated condition. I believe Peter picked a few up for me. So thank you so much. I really like Dinosaurs, Georgie. It's really very nice of you to send me these coins. And as you can see here, we have another set of the dinosaur coins. Beautiful. You guys can read a little bit about them. Here they are. And I'm not going to take them out. I know there's a back or reverse to them. You guys can see the information regarding the coins. You guys can see unlimited mintage, finish, metal, aluminum, bronze, or we say aluminum bronze, the diameter and the weight. And very nice, Georgie. Thank you so much. And we do have one last thing, it appears, from Sent to Georgie. Maybe the best for last. Feels somewhat heavy. Ooh. Wow. Check it out, guys. We have the Singapore Merlion. Wow. Georgie, you sent me too much. I feel what I gave you now is not enough. Hopefully, you'll be very happy with what I sent you. Oh, wow. Check it out, guys. Okay, let me get into this coin first because... Check it out, guys. I forgot what flower this is. I looked it up before. Possibly the... Was it a orchid? I'm not sure. Please forgive me, Georgie. And this is the national flower. Oh, duh. Okay, I was trying to remember from memory, and here it was all along. Singapore orchid, guys. This is the national flower of Singapore. It is 1 troy ounce of fine silver. I will be putting up the information in regards to who minted the coin, the weight, and all that Numista information that I'm sure Sent to Georgie has contributed to. Beautiful design, guys. Love the Merlion coin. Beautiful, guys. Love it. Really love it. Just a beautiful, elegant design. Really like this. Thank you so much, Sent to Georgie. It really doesn't look like it has any milk spots at all. Perhaps this is an older one that you gave me, but I am not seeing any milk spots here at all. So thank you. And guys, check it out. Something I really did not ask Sent to Georgie for. Nonetheless, he gave me it. Year of the Dragon. Beautiful design, guys. I know Supreme Ginger Stacker loves dragons. There you go, brother. Has a little privy mark there, just like the Britannia and other British territory coins. Beautiful design, Georgie. Wow. Starting to make me tear up here. 2024. You guys see that? This is my first 2024 coin, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Year of the Dragon. Anybody born in the Year of the Dragon? Let me know. And look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful design. Amazing. Just amazing, Georgie. This is my first 2024 coin. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Georgie. I really appreciate this. You really went overboard. Really too much, man. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, thank you so much. You're making me tear up here a little bit. What am I gonna see here? The anniversary of ACEAN. I believe that is a group of Asian countries. I could be mistaken. And we're gonna see what Georgie gave me here. Check it out. Oh, wow. Okay. Check it out. Send to Georgie's logo. Where is it, guys? I got so much here. Now you know the inspiration for his logo and his sticker. Beautiful. Very unique design. I don't remember the Asian countries. I'm sure Singapore is one of them. And just a beautiful, beautiful coin, Georgie. Thank you so much. This is like the cherry on top of the cake right here, this coin. Georgie, I sincerely thank you so much. It was an honor and it was a pleasure meeting you. I hope someday we could meet again if you ever come back to New York City. I think that is it, guys. Wow, what an amazing mail call from Send to Georgie. I don't know what else to say. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel, watching my content. Feel free to check out Send to Georgie. He does some amazing video footage. He's traveling all over the world, guys. He's been to multiple countries, gone to multiple coin shops all over the world. I'm really jealous of that. And he's just an overall amazing person in this community. I couldn't have asked for anything more, Georgie. You gave me way too much, man. So thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.